This video is a 10-minute Pilates routine. We are going to start with our legs crossed, sitting on the mat. We can warm up the spine by turning to the right, bring the hand right back behind the hips, left hand on the right knee, engage the core, sit up tall. Look over the right shoulder, relax and release, switch, go to the left, sit up tall, activate the core, turn into that left side. Well done. Come back to center, hands on the knees. We'll just do some seated cat-cow. Exhale, arch the spine, chin to chest. Roll in. Slide your hands down your legs, shoulder blades come together, let the head fall back. Inhale, roll in, slide the hands down. Slide your hands back, open up the chest, let your shoulder blades slide together. Nice. Line up with the long edge of the mat, come to the center, have the legs stretch out nice and long. We're going to just bring our arms out, come down about a third of the way, and we are going to do some leg lifts. So just bring the right leg up, 2, 3, keeping it straight, 4, 5, and then the left leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have confetti on my foot. Come down, 2/3 of the way. Lift that right leg up, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg now, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent. Lower yourself down. Bring your hands together, lace them together. Bring them back behind your head. Bend your knees without pushing against your head roughly. We are just going to exhale, come up, inhale back down, exhale, come up. Working mindfully, going slowly with control. 3, we'll do 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The slower you go, the more you work. Your legs up, get your shins parallel with the ceiling. We're going to lift the head and shoulders up, bring the right elbow to the left knee as you stretch out the right leg. Be mindful of that left elbow, bringing it back. Same on the right side. Left elbow comes to the right knee as you stretch out that left leg, bringing the opposite elbow back. Four. I think get that leg stretched out, just hover it over the mat. I think that was 5 on each side. It's hard to tell. Leave your legs bent, feet under the knees. Make sure your big toes are pointed forward. Just have some awareness of your body. We're going to do some bridges. So just push your heels into the floor, stomach and low back come down. Lift the hips up, open up the chest. Exhale, come back down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come back down. Straighten the right leg, point the toe, and try to keep your hips level. Come up, come back down. Again. Switch. Pushing that right heel into the floor, straighten the left leg, point the toe. Come up, and back down. Again. Good job. Bend the knees. Slowly lift the legs. Roll yourself up. Activate the core. Stretch the arms out. We can do the 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want, straighten your legs. Or bring them out like this. That's 40. 85, 90, 95, 100. Well done. Bring your knees back down. Straighten them out. Bring your arms out over your head. On your exhale, you can bring them up and roll yourself up. Reach out over your toes. Restack your spine. Good job. We can take our feet further apart, probably about mat distance apart. We can activate our feet, activate our legs. Bring our arms out. Exhale to the right. Slowly with control, try and soft the pinky toe with the left pinky finger, being aware of what's going on with that right arm back behind you. Twist to the left. 1, 2, 3. Working those obliques. Turn to the right. 1, 2, and 3. Come back up. Twist to the left. 1, 2, and 3. Great job. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Come back up. And to the left. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Great work. Bring your feet back together. Arms out. Slowly lower yourself down. One vertebrae at a time. Stretch your arms out. Roll yourself back up. Reach towards your toes. See if you can do it incrementally. 2, 3, and come down. Slowly and mindfully. Arms come up. Stack your spine. Slowly come down in increments. Have your arms out if you need to. Reach your arms out. Good job. 2 more. Roll yourself up. Slowly bring yourself back down on your in-breath. This time come up. Restack your spine. Excellent work. We're going to slowly lower ourselves back down. Reach the core, lift the right leg up, tug it towards you a couple times. Switch. Again. Tap the ground. Being gentle with our bodies, listening to our bodies. Stretch the left leg out as we do little circles with the right leg. Keep the toes pointed. Reverse. 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Switch sides. Stretch the left leg out. Keep that right leg stretched out. Mixed up a little bit. Good job. Reverse. 2, 3, 6, 7, 10. Excellent work. Bend your knees. Stretch your arms out to the side. We're going to lower our legs right side. Lift back up. Drop them down to the left side. Slowly and with control, listening to any messages that you may be getting from your body at the moment. Maybe you want to quit. I feel like you can push through though. Pause it, go get a drink of water if you need to. 10 minutes isn't that long. Nine, I think, and 10. Good job. Squeeze your knees into your chest. Rock from side to side. Bring your arms out to the side. Stretch your legs out nice and straight. Do big circles with both feet together. Make them bigger and bigger as you go. 10. Excellent. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Bring your feet down. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share with a friend, and check me out on Instagram. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.